Hi students, good morning everybody. Today our topic is functions chapter, range of rational functions. This is Somaras, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, listen carefully. This is the topic is range of rational functions. What is the topic today? Range of rational functions. Okay, rational functions format 1. First one is linear by linear. The second one is constant by linear. What is the shortcut method? This is the shortcut method is equal to f of x is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. Domain of x belongs to r minus d minus d by c. R minus d by c. This is the domain. Next, range of this one is equal to y belongs to r minus a by c, x coefficient by x coefficient. Okay, x coefficient by x coefficient. Okay, some examples. Question number 1, 7x plus 6 by 5x plus 4. What is the range and domain? Okay, domain and range. What is the domain? Domain x belongs to x belongs to r minus, what is the coefficient here? Minus d by c. This is the downside. Minus 4 by 5. Okay, minus of minus 4 by 5. This is the domain. What is the range of this function? Range y belongs to r minus of x coefficient by x coefficient. What is the x coefficient? 7. X coefficient is equal to 7 by 5. This is the range of the function. Okay, next question number 2. Next, this is also question number 2. Linear by linear only right here. Next, 5x plus 7 by 6 plus 4x. 6 plus 4x. What is the domain and range? What is the domain? Domain x belongs to r. Minus. What is the domain? Domain is equal to x belongs to r minus d by c. What is the d? This is the d, this is c. Okay, d by c means minus 6 by 4. D by c. Okay, x coefficient is equal to c. This is the d. Okay, d by c. Okay, 2 3 times 2 times equal to x belongs to r minus minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the domain. Next, what is the range? Range equal to y belongs to r minus. What is the range? Range is equal to a by c means this is the ax and this is the cx. This is the downside cx. A by c. The range is equal to minus of a by c. A is equal to 5 by 4. This is the range of the function. What is the domain? What is the range? Understand? Okay, next another one equal to constant by linear. Next, constant by linear. Question number 3. Constant by linear. What is the constant? Okay, question number 3. Constant by linear. Constant means this is the 7 by 4x plus 5. What is the domain? What is the domain? Domain x belongs to r minus of c minus c by d. Minus d by c. Okay, minus d by c. Minus d. What is the d value? Minus d means what is the d value? 5. Minus 5 by 4. What is the range? What is the range of this one? Range x belongs to y belongs to, what is the range? Y belongs to r minus. Okay, what is the x coefficient here? 0. X coefficient 0 by 4. This is the 0 by 4 means this is the 0 equal to y belongs to r minus 0. Set of 0. This is the range. Okay, one more example. Problem number 4. Okay, constant by linear. Means this is a 5 by linear means this is 4 plus 2x. 4 plus 2x is the function. What is the domain? Domain, what is the domain value? Domain is equal to, what is the formula? Domain is equal to minus d by c. Minus d by c. Okay, minus d by c. Domain x belongs to r minus of minus d. This is the d, minus d by, this is the c, ax plus b by cx plus d. Okay, ax means this is the 0x plus 5, 0x plus 5. What is the answer? Minus d by c. D is equal to this one, d. C is equal to what? C is equal to 2. Means this is minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 equal to, belongs to r minus of minus 2. R minus of minus 2. This is the domain. What is the range? Range equal to, what is the range? Range x y belongs to r minus, y belongs to r minus, what is the formula here? A by c. A by c means a is equal to 0, c is equal to what? C is equal to 2, 0 by 2. This is the 0 by 2 means this is the 0 equal to y belongs to r minus 0. This is the range of the function, linear by linear and constant by linear. Okay, format 2. Next, format 2, quadratic by quadratic and linear by quadratic and quadratic by linear and constant by quadratic. All are same one type questions only. Okay, listen here, quadratic by quadratic. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 2 by quadratic. Next 4x square plus 4x plus 1. This is the quadratic by quadratic. And linear is equal to 3x plus 2 by 4x square plus 2x plus 5. Quadratic by quadratic. Next, quadratic by linear. Quadratic equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 5 by linear. Linear is equal to 2x plus 5. Next, constant 2 by quadratic is equal to x square plus 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. These type of questions we can solve this method. Okay, listen. Question number 1. Let f maps r minus 2 comma 6 to r be real valued function defined as f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 2. Then the range of f is minus infinity to minus 21 by 4 closed interval union closed interval 0 to infinity. Second option is equal to minus infinity to minus 21 by 4 open interval union closed interval 0 to infinity. And third one is minus infinity open interval to minus 21 by 4 open interval union closed interval 21 by 4 to infinity. And the fourth one is minus infinity to minus 21 by 4 closed interval 1 to infinity. These are options. Okay, this type of question is quadratic by quadratic. Okay, here you have take f of x value equal to y. Y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 12. Okay, by cross multiplication yx square 8 into y minus 8xy plus 12y equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1. This is take this side means y minus 1 into x square minus 8xy. This is 2xy minus 8xy and 2xy. Okay, right, minus 8xy minus 2x minus 2x plus 12y minus 1 plus 12y minus 1. Okay, minus 1 equal to 0. Here write y minus 1 into x square. What is the common here? Common is equal to 2 is the common. 2 is the common only. 2 is the common. Minus 2 into y. 2y is the common means 2 4 times 4. 2 4 times 4 x also is there. Next here 4 times means y. X only common here. 2 common means 4 minus what is the common here? 4y plus 1 into x. Okay, 2 into 4. Okay, 8xy 8x y. This is the 2x. 2 into 4y plus 1, 2 4s are 8, 8xy, 2 into 1 2x minus 2x plus 12y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay, in this case equal to delta greater than or equal to 0. Delta greater than or equal to 0. Okay, correct only. 4ac equal to 0 means this is the 4y plus 1 whole square, 4y plus 1 whole square plus 4a b square minus 4ac minus 4 into a is equal to y minus 1 c is equal to 12y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Is a 4 get cancel. Okay, both are cancel means here 4y square equal to 16y square plus 1. Next 2 into 4 8y minus half y into 12y square. Next y into 1 minus y, 1 into 12y minus 12y 1 into 1 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, here 16y square 16y square plus 1 plus 8y minus 12y square minus 12y means this is the 13y plus 13y this is the minus 1. This is the minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is the cancel. 16y square and 12y square equal to 4y square. 8y and 13y equal to 8y 13y equal to 21 plus 21y greater than or equal to 0. What is the common here? Y is the common 4y plus 21 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, here y is equal to 0 and what is the y value? Y is equal to y greater than or equal to 0, y minus 0 into y minus 21 by 4 greater than or equal to 0. What is our range? Greater than or equal to 0 means here minus 21 by 4 is the infinity. Okay, this is the closed circle and here what is the 0? This is 0 to infinity. What is the each option is the correct? This is minus 21 by 4 closed interval to minus infinity open interval union 0 also closed interval to open interval infinity. This is our answer. First option is the correct. Okay, understand, copy this one. This is the range of the function. Okay, this is the question number 2. If the range of the function f of x is equal to 5 minus x by x square minus 3x plus 2 x not equal to 1 comma 2 is minus infinity to closed interval alpha union closed interval beta 2 plus infinity, then the alpha square plus beta square equals to what? First option is equal to 190, second option is equal to 192, third option is equal to 188, fourth option is equal to 194. Okay, listen here, this is the function. You have take the function is equal to y is equal to 5 minus x by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, this is take this side means yx square plus 3 minus 3 into xy 2 into y plus 2y equal to 5 minus x. Okay, this is also take this side, this is also x, this is also constant means yx square here also x only here minus 3xy plus x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. What is the common here? X only common here, quadratic by the quadratic equation minus x is the common here, minus 3y plus of minus 3y plus 1 into x minus 5 equal to 0. This is a one quadratic equation. This is the c ax square plus bx plus c form. This is the x square coefficient is equal to positive, real number x is the real, then delta greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Minus 3y plus 1 whole square b square minus 4ac 4 into a is equal to y, c is equal to 2y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Simplify this one. Equal to 3y whole square is equal to 9y square 9y square plus 1. 1 square is equal to 1. Next minus 2 into 3 6 minus 6y minus 6y minus 4y 4 into 2 minus 8y square minus 8 4 into 5 plus plus 20 plus 20y greater than or equal to 0. 20y greater than or equal to 0. 9y square 8y square is equal to y square minus 6y 20y equal to minus plus plus 14 plus 14y plus 14y here plus 1 greater than or equal to 0 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the roots are direct method not came here. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square is equal to 196. 4ac is equal to 4 into a is equal to 1 and c also 1. 4ac by 2a 2 into 1 equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root of 192 by 2 equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root of this one equal to 8 root 3. 8 square is equal to 64 into 3 okay. 3 4 are 12 3 6 18 19 192 means 8 root 3 by 2. Okay, this is separate cancelled means minus 7 plus or minus 4 root 3. What is the alpha value? Alpha is equal to minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Beta is equal to what? Beta is equal to minus 7 minus 4 root 3. What is the answer? Alpha square and beta square value. Sum of the alpha square plus beta square value. Okay, alpha square beta square value. What is the alpha and beta? Alpha square plus beta square equal to what? Okay, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha square means minus 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square next plus minus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole square. This is the a plus b whole square formula. This is also a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula right here. A square is equal to 49. Next 4 square is equal to 16 into 3 equal to 48. Next minus 2ab 2 7 are 14 4 are 56 or 14 4 are 14 into 4 times 16 4 1 4 5 56. Okay, right, this is the 56 minus 56. Next plus 7 square is equal to 49. Next this is 48 plus 48 this is plus 56 plus 56 cancel. This is 48 this is right, total add. This is 49 50 100 98. This is the 98. This is 90 plus 90 it is 60 96 equal to 98 to 96 means 4 means this is the 194. This is the 194 is our answer. Option 4 is correct. Okay, understand, copy this one. Okay, this is a question number 3. The range of the function f of x is equal to square root of 3 minus x plus square root of 2 plus x. This is our function. F of x is equal to, what is the f of x value? F of x is equal to square root of 3 minus x plus square root of 2 plus x. These both are equal to 0 means 3 minus x is equal to 0 means x is equal to what? X is equal to 3. Next another one equal to 2 plus x equal to 0. What is the x value? X is equal to minus 2. These are two values of x. Okay, given function, what is the given function? You have differentiation. Given function is the differentiation with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root of 3 minus x plus 1 by 2 root of 2 plus x, 1 by 2 root of 2 plus x. Okay, this is minus x derivative is equal to minus 1. Okay, f dash of x is equal to 0. Right, minus 1 2 into root of 3 minus x equal to minus of 1 by root of 2 plus x. This is 2 cancel, minus minus both are cancel. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means 3 minus x is equal to 2 plus x. 2 plus x. What is the x value? This is 2x equal to, this take this side 1 equal to x is equal to what? X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, what is our answer? X is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 comma x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, write this one. Which option is the correct option? Okay, right. X is equal to 3 in the f of x. X is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means this is the 0. 3 plus 1 root 5. This is root 5. That implies root 5. Next, x is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 2. Right in this is 0. This is the minus 2 means this is also root 5. X is equal to minus 2. That is also root 5. Next, another one equal to x is equal to 1 by 2. Right. X is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to 1 by 2. Square root of 3 minus 1 by 2 plus square root of 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. That implies 2 ones 2 3 6 6 5 5 by 2. Okay, root of 5 by 2 plus this is also root of 5 by 2. Root of 5 by 2 plus root of 5 by 2. Okay, suppose here root 2 is the LCM. Root 2 is the LCM means root 5 plus root 5 is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5. 2 root 5 root 2. This is also root 2 into root 2, right? Root 2 into root 5 by root 2. 1 root 2 1 root 2 cancel. Root 2 into root 5 is equal to root 10. Root 10 is the maximum value. The root 5 is the minimum value. Root 5 is the minimum value. Root 10 is the maximum value. Which option is the correct? Correct option x belongs to closed interval root 5 to root 10. Root 5 to root 10 is our answer. Okay, first option is correct. Okay, copy this one. Okay, right. Okay, this is the question number 4. Let f maps g maps 1 comma infinity to r be defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 by 5x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 2 minus 3x by 1 minus x if the range of the function f circle of g maps 2 to 4 to r is alpha comma beta, then the 1 by beta minus alpha equals to what? 1 by beta minus alpha equal to what? Okay, what is the f of x function? What is the f of x? F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 by 5x plus 2. Next, g of x. What is the g of x? G of x is equal to 2 minus 3x by 1 minus x. What is the given range? Here 2 comma 4. Closed interval 2 comma 4. This is the f circle of g. F circle of g means f of g of x. F circle of g means f of g of x. F of g of x equal to, okay, 2 times of the g of x. 2 times of the g of x. F of g of x. This one. 2 times of the g of x plus 3 by 5. 5 times of the g of x. G of x plus 2. Okay, here 2 times of g of x is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3x by 1 minus x plus 3 by 5 into 5 times of the 2 minus 3x by 1 minus x plus 2. Okay, simplify this one. 2 into 2 equal to 4 minus 6x. Okay, LCM means this is plus 3 minus 3x by 1 minus x by, next here also same, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 3s are 15x. Next 1 into 2 into 1 is equal to plus 2. Next minus 2x by 1 minus x. 1 minus x is cancelled. Okay, next 6x minus x is equal to 9x. This is the 7x. 7 minus 9x. 7 minus 9x by 10 12 minus 17x. 12 minus 17x. This is the f of g of x. F of g of x value. This is the f of g of x value. Okay, this is the differentiation. This is the differentiation here. Differentiation means u by v formula. Differentiation means u by v formula. This is the increasing function or decreasing function. Okay, what is the range 2 comma 4? Only substitute here. Range 2 comma 4 only substitute here. Okay, what is the alpha value? Minimum value is equal to alpha value and maximum value is equal to beta value. Okay, first this is differentiation. Differentiation means f dash of g of x. F dash of g of x is equal to minus 17x whole square v square. V into this is differentiation. 12 minus 17x into differentiation is equal to, this is the 7 means 0, this is the minus 9, minus of 7 minus 9x into this is differentiation is equal to minus 17. Okay, simplify this one, equal to 9 into 12. Okay, this is the 9 into 12 and 17 into something, 17 into 9, 19. Okay, right, this is 9 into 12 into 9 minus 17 into 9 into x, minus into minus plus 17 into 9 x. Next minus of 7 into this one, minus into minus is equal to plus 7 into 17, 7 into 17 minus into minus plus, this is the minus 9 into 17 x, 9 into 17 x, 9 into 17 x both are cancel here, 17 into 7. Next this is the 12 into this one. Okay, right, by 12 minus 17x whole square, 12 17x whole square. This is 7 into 17, 7 into 17. This is negative, this is also negative, totally positive. Next here 17, this is also negative, totally positive. This is a positive value, this is also positive value. This is the positive value, totally positive value greater than or equal to greater than 0. This is the totally positive value greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this is the increasing function. Increasing function means this is the increasing function. Okay, increasing function means this is the right as increasing function. This is like that. This is the 2. Here also this is the 4 increasing function. Okay, minimum value is equal to alpha and maximum value is equal to beta. Okay, what is the alpha value? Alpha is equal to, right in the 2. This is the x is equal to, right here alpha value, get alpha value, x is equal to 2 in this case, right here x is equal to alpha value equal to 7 minus 9 into 2 by 12 minus 17 into 2, okay, 9 and 9 to 18, 7 minus 18 by 7 minus 18 by 12 minus 17 to 34 minus 12. Okay, this is the 34 equal to 18 minus means this is the minus 11 by this is 22 minus minus cancel, 11 1 so 11, so this is equal to 1 by 2. This is the alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Next, what is the beta? X is equal to 4, right? X is equal to 4 means beta is equal to 7 minus 9 into 4, 9 4 is 36 by 12 into 12 minus 17 into 4 17 into 4 means 17 into 4, here 17 into 4. Okay, 4 7 is 28 to 2, 4 1s 4 6 68. Okay, this is the 68. Okay, equal to this is subtraction means 7 means this is the 29 minus 29 by this is 56 minus 56 minus cancel equal to 29 by 56. This is the beta is equal to 29 by 56. Beta is equal to 29 by 56. What is the asking the question? Question is 1 by beta minus alpha. Okay, write 1 by beta minus alpha value. 1 by beta minus alpha equal to what? Okay, write beta minus alpha, right, first. That is the reciprocal. Beta minus alpha equal to, beta minus alpha is equal to 29 by 56 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is the beta value? Beta is equal to 29 by 56 minus 1 by 2. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 56. This is the 29. Okay, 56 how many times? 28 times. 28 equal to 1 by 56. 1 by 56 is reciprocal is equal to 1 by beta minus alpha. 1 by beta minus alpha is equal to 1 by 56. Okay, 1 by 56 or this is the beta minus alpha is equal to 1 by 56. 1 by 56 equal to, answer is equal to 56 is our answer. Answer is equal to 56. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, this is Somaraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos and go to my channel and check my channel and share my channel. Okay, do you have a practice each and every problem, you get the good result in the JEE mains and advanced examinations. Okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you.